Hello, welcome back to Convertible Wars. Today we're going to talk about Porsche Boxster and owning a Toyota. These days, when you tell someone that Porsche Boxster can be cheaper than a simple Toyota, they probably think you're crazy. Everyone assumes that owning a German sports car means endless repair bills, huge insurance costs, and painful depreciation. But when you look at the real math over the 5 years of ownership, the truth will completely blow your mind. If you buy a brand new standard Toyota like RAV4 or Camry, you will lose thousands of dollars when you drive it off. Over the first 5 years, that normal commuter car will lose a massive chunk of its original value just because it is a high-volume appliance. Modern Toyotas are great cars, but nobody buys a used 10-year-old Camry expecting it to become a rare collector item. A used Porsche Boxster, and especially if they are old generation, works in the opposite way when it comes to depreciation. These cars have already hit the bottom of their price curve, which means they are no longer losing money every month. In fact, many clean mid-engine Boxsters are slowly going up in value every single year as purists search for analog sports cars. When you do the math on depreciation, the Toyota can lose $10,000 to $15,000 in value over 5 years of normal driving. During that same exact time, a well-maintained used Boxster might lose $0 or even gain a few $1,000s in resale value. That single difference in depreciation instantly wipes out the higher cost of Porsche, brake pads and oil changes. Fuel economy on a light mid-engine sports car is also much better than most people expect for a luxury vehicle. Because a Boxster weighs so much less than a heavy modern SUV, its naturally aspirated flat 6 or turbocharged flat 4 engine does not have to work very hard. On open highway trips, a Boxster can easily get impressive gas mileage that competes directly with standard family sedans. Insurance costs for a used sports car like the Boxster are another huge surprise for first-time buyers comparing quotes. Insurance companies calculate rates based on crash statistics, driver demographics, and how many miles a vehicle gets driven every year. Since most Boxster owners treat their cars with extreme care and drive fewer annual miles, insurance premiums can be shockingly low compared to high-risk daily commuters. Now let us talk about big scary topic that scares everyone away from German cars: routine maintenance and unexpected repairs. If you take an older Boxster to a fancy main Porsche dealership for every little thing, you will pay top dollar labor rates. But if you are smart about ownership, you never have to pay those inflated dealership prices to keep your car running perfectly. The Porsche community is one of the largest, most supportive enthusiast groups in the entire automotive world. Independent Porsche specialists use the exact same factory parts as dealerships, but they charge a fraction of the hourly labor cost. Furthermore, basic jobs like changing air filters, spark plugs and engine oil are straightforward tasks that any owner can learn to do at home. When you buy parts for a Toyota, you buy them often because normal commuter cars get driven hard in heavy traffic every single day. Boxster parts might cost a bit more upfront, but the build quality and engineering standards of these German components are exceptionally high. A good set of brakes or suspension bushings on a Porsche can easily last you many years of spirited weekend driving. Toyota reliability is legendary, but modern Toyotas are packed with complex electronics, turbochargers and hybrid batteries that can still fail. Older Boxster models rely on simpler mechanical systems that independent mechanics have understood inside and out for over 20 years. As long as you check the oil levels and service the car on time, the core engines are amazingly tough. Another huge financial trick that favors the Boxster is the availability of specialty classic car insurance policies. If you keep your Boxster as a second vehicle for weekend drives, you can put it on an agreed value policy for a tiny monthly fee. These policies protect the exact market value of your sports car while keeping your out-of-pocket insurance costs lower than a basic Toyota insurance policy. Financing costs also play a massive role in the true total cost of owning a vehicle over several years. People who buy new Toyotas often take on huge monthly car payments with high interest rates over 6 or 7 long years. Buying a clean used Boxster with cash or a small short-term loan keeps your monthly budget completely free from heavy bank interest charges. When you sum up all the numbers like insurance, depreciations, gas, and routine services, the total cost to own a Boxster for 5 years can easily be lower than a new Toyota. You end up putting thousands of dollars back in your pocket simply because your asset did not lose its value while sitting in your garage. You get to drive a world-class German sports car for the net cost of an everyday economy car. Beyond the cold hard financial math, there is an emotional value that a regular commuter car simply cannot give you at any price. Driving a mid-engine Porsche with the top down turns every simple trip to the store into an exciting, memorable event. A normal family crossover gets you from point A to point B, but a Boxster makes you fall in love with the physical act of driving. The steering wheel in a Boxster gives you incredible feedback, letting you feel every subtle detail of the road surface beneath you. The handling balance of a mid-engine chassis makes taking corners feel effortless, smooth, and completely natural for any driver. Hearing that engine sing behind your head every time you accelerate is a feeling that no basic commuter car can ever match. If you ever decide that you want to sell your Boxster after a few years of driving, you can easily list it and get your money back. The demand for clean, well-kept Porsche sports cars is always strong, meaning you will not be stuck begging buyers to take it off your hands. With a generic daily driver, you are just one of thousands of identical cars competing for lowball offers on the used market. So when people tell you that owning a Porsche is a terrible financial decision, you can smile knowing that they just do not understand the math. As long as you pick a clean model, maintain it at a good independent shop, and enjoy it responsibly, a Boxster is a brilliant ownership hack. It is the ultimate proof that you can live your sports car dream without going broke or throwing your hard-earned money away. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to learn more smart car buying tips, enthusiast secrets, and ownership guides, do not forget to subscribe and check the links in the description to see some of the car products that I like. Until next time, drive safe, enjoy the open road, and I will see you in the very next video.